Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today we will write a uh, some interview or the solution of one of the problem which is frequently asked in the interview for immediate, intermediate and the experience level. So if you see the problem statement is already have written on the top, which is basically given an array of integers and write a Java program to find the second largest distinct element or number presenting the array. So for this, we will write this program in two ways. Two ways in the sense, one using normal Java and the other would be the using Java 8. Okay, so let's write it. Um, let's write one method with say find second largest largest element, right? Element, and we will pass the array because we would be writing in two ways. So the other would be the second largest element using string. Okay, so let's write create a method. Okay, now let's initialize two elements. One would be the first, which will be initialized with minimum value of integers, and second would be the maximum value of integer. Okay, so this is a max value. Now we will just traverse the array using for loop. Uh, so this is integer and array. Here we will have a if statement if n is greater than first element. Okay, let's mean the first element is n is greater than first element, and that has to be assigned in the second, right? And n would be the first element. Okay, now else if again here what you will have to do, the n should be greater than second. If let's say if n second is greater than n and and n is not equal to first. Okay, so n is not equal to first and it is greater than this. So it should be assigned to the n. Okay, so that's it. So second element will print at last. So second largest element. Okay, this would be the second one, which is second. Okay, so if I run this program, oh sorry, this is the wrong, right? So first should be equal to n, right? So now we are making first to n should be the first. So if you see the second largest element is 76 from this. Okay. The second approach which we would be writing is with Java string. Okay. So let's write the different methods second largest element using Java 8 or string. Java string. Okay. Here we will pass the array again and we'll write method second largest element of method. Okay, this would be the method. So now we will have array. Okay, here we will just write integer. I mean, let's so arrays we have to traverse, right? Arrays, so stream and array what we will do is we will the distinct element because it's required distinct element. So we have distinct the element, okay, and we can walk state also because which will basically convert into integer as we are passing it int, right? So it will box it. Now we can sort the elements, okay, sort. So we can write sorted where A is equal to B. I mean basically we are right. I mean in descending order we are doing the traverse, so it should be like B minus A. Okay, and now simple. We will just skip it first. So first element we will skip and we'll just find the first because we are skipping first and then finding. That's it. Or else as it will return the null. Okay, if it doesn't, for example, if array is null or something, then it will just return the null. So now user can just print, let's assign this in one variable. Okay, this is I, or we can put it as a second, right? So it is easy now in Java 8, because you have just written in single line. So if you see, you can just print it and you can run the, okay, let's say here I can just write it second, second largest element using Java 8. Okay, so this is okay, Java 8. Both will give the same output as per the logic. Let's put it now. If you want to just test it like this, okay. If you have negative integer as well, it, it will work fine. Okay. So that's it today. That's it for today. And I will be giving some more frequently asked interview questions in upcoming videos. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. These interview questions is basically for fresher and intermediate and experience level. Uh, can be shared with the friends, with your friends who are looking for the change. Thanks for watching.